Kassidee training. We're going to have a look at resource types again, and in particular this time we want to look at the field type of option list. Option list is a particular field type that enables you to have a predefined list of options that your users can select from when using that field, when putting data into that field. So what I want to do is, under PRN stat medication, I want to add something called a medication category with some predefined options in it. So I need to add an option list called medication category, and we've got the add option list button up here, so let's click on that and let's add the option list called medication category and click OK. So it's now added a brand new option list called medication category, and it's taken us to that option list so that we can enter some values into that option list. So I'm going to be a bit boring and call it category 1. We can give that order 1, category 2, we'll do 3 categories, and category 3. So I've now added 3 values to that option list. So and I push the close button, back at our form here now we want to add something called medication category. This is a field, or medication cat we'll call it, and it's going to be of type option list, and that means we need to select an option list to put in it. There's all the option lists we currently have in the system. If you start typing, you'll select the one that's the same. There's our medication category option list that we just added. Okay, so we've added now a new field called option list to medication category, and I want to put that in position 2. So let's go change this 8 to a 2. So medication category is now in the 2nd position in our form. So let's close this and have a look. Well, actually, let's go just straight to the menu, custom resources, all custom resources, and here's our parent stat medication. Let's look up Lisa's record again. And there is medication category, and it's in position 2 after the date. And if we pull that down, we got category 1, 2 and 3. So let's just put a 2 on that. So you can see there that option lists are a very powerful way of controlling the data that goes into your systems, so that your user can't, if they tried to type something else in there that wasn't, let's just type anything else in there, cat 4 for instance, it'll tell you that this text isn't an item in the list. So push OK, and then you have to select from the list. So that's how option lists work when building your own resource types.